our tabletop kitchen weighing scale. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have 6.5 inches, a depth of 8.5 inches, an overall height of 2 inches. Measurements for the top scale will include 5.5 inches in length, also by 5.5 inches in depth. Included will be 2 batteries, along with a cover for the top scale. This weighing scale can weigh products in grams, kilograms, ounces, and pounds. Additional feature will include the temperature indicator showing that product. So with the product placed on top of the scale, not only will the weight be displayed, but the temperature as well, which makes this additional feature for this scale. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.